Our Earth is the only planet that has water. About two-thirds of the Earth is covered with water. That is why it is also called the blue planet. Water, a wonder liquid. Water is an inexhaustible natural resource. Inexhaustible means unlimited. It occupies very large area of the Earth's surface. Some amount of water exists in the form of water vapor in the atmosphere. Rain is the main source of water. Most of the water on Earth's surface is saline. It means salty water. Fresh water is found as frozen ice caps at poles and on snow-covered mountains. The underground water and the water in rivers, lakes and ponds is also fresh. We cannot live without water. We need water for drinking, cleaning, bathing, washing, gardening and doing many other things. Farmers need water to grow crops. Next is about importance of water for living beings. Water is essential for living beings because it provides a medium for all the cellular processes to take place. It is necessary for the transportation of substances from one part of the body to other. It helps to maintain body temperature. It is required to maintain balance of salts within the body. Therefore, water is essential for the sustenance of life. Next topic is about water pollution. What do you mean by water pollution? It is an undesirable change in the physical, chemical and biological quality of water due to addition of unwanted and harmful substances that are called as water pollutants. Water pollution adversely affects living organisms by making the water unsuitable for use. What are the causes of water pollution? Water dissolves the fertilizers and pesticides from agricultural fields and take them to the nearby water bodies where they cause harmful effects on aquatic life. Next reason is dumping of sewage and other waste into the water bodies adversely affect the water quality. Industries use water for cooling various machines and later releases hot water into the water bodies. This causes sudden changes in the temperature of water body that affects the breeding of aquatic organisms. Next is about the effects of water pollution. Polluted water can affect life forms in various ways. First of all, addition of undesirable substances to water bodies. Fertilizers, pesticides, dirt, sewage, industrial waste like heavy metals and disease-causing microorganisms get mixed with the water, making it unfit for consumption. Water pollution affects death of flora and fauna of water bodies. Flora means plants and fauna means animals of water bodies. As the amount of organic waste increases in water, bacteria and other organisms multiply very fast by using the dissolved oxygen present in the water, thus making the water body deficient in oxygen. This lack of oxygen in turn kills the fishes and other aquatic animals. Another effect of water pollution is human diseases. Water provides home to pathogens which causes infections to humans. These pathogens include viruses, bacteria, fungi, nematodes, protozoans, etc. and cause diseases such as typhoid, cholera, jaundice, etc. in humans. We can control water pollution. How is it possible? Sewage and garbage generated by homes and industries should be treated properly before discharging into water sources. It will reduce water pollution, causing less harm to the aquatic life. If hot water generated by the industries is collected at a common place and then cooled before it is discharged into the water bodies, it will not affect the breeding capacity of aquatic organisms. If commercial areas, factories and industries are shifted to isolated areas, it means far away from residential areas, it can reduce the effect of water pollution on people. In this way, we can control water pollution. The water cycle. Heat from the sun makes water evaporate. Water is released into the atmosphere from soil, rivers, and ocean by evaporation. Plants also lose water into the air by the process of transpiration. As the water vapor rises, it condenses, forming tiny droplets of water form clouds. The clouds get blown by the wind. When they get heavy enough, it rains. All the water that falls on the land does not immediately flow back into the sea. Some of it seeps into the soil and becomes a part of the underground reservoir of fresh water. Some of this underground water comes up to the surface through springs or through wells or tube wells made by us for use.